Today we're going to take a look inside this wood case to see Naked Armor's Thor Straight Razor Shave Kit. Naked Armor sells their Thor Shave Kit in a nice wooden box with a latch. Once you flip that latch and you open this box, you're presented with a very nice box with the Naked Armor logo on top that houses the straight razor. Then moving down into the box on the left side, you have a Naked Armor synthetic shave brush. To the right of that, you have a large 2-ounce tin that has Naked Armor's shave soap that has a very citrusy scent. Right above that, you will find a small tin. This small tin contains the stropping paste that will be applied to the strop. The strop is all the way to the right of the box and contains a nice clip so that you can clip it onto a loop or a handle in your bathroom. It also has 2 nice round rings to grasp onto. The strop has 2 different stropping materials. It has your leather in the front and a cotton in the back. The cotton is where you would apply your stropping paste. Now, one of the most important items in this kit is, of course, the razor. You'll find that in the box that's attached to the lid. Once you open the box, you will find a leather case. This leather case is what holds your Thor straight edge razor. The leather case is nice if you are traveling or if you just have it at home in your drawer. The Thor razor features a mahogany handle which feels nice and warm in the hand. The blade itself is made out of 61 to 65 HRC, and basically what that means is that it's made out of one of the stronger or harder stainless steels that is available to. It features a square point with a half hollow grind for the profile. Now when you get this kit, it is highly suggested that you strop your razor. Lucky for you, as you've seen, it comes with everything needed to do so to make sure that you can get the best shave possible. To pick up the Thor Straight Razor Kit or one of their other straight razor kits, you can go ahead and check out their website down below.